Alright guys, so welcome to the final part of the video. So you guys have seen and witnessed the amazing DJI Avata in its glory. How to connect the battery and setup for this thing is pretty simple. You will need to provide yourself with a charging unit of your own because this doesn't go into your wall socket. You've got to have something else to convert this into a wall socket friendly system, or you can plug this into your computer. Some computers, like this computer back here, the Surface Pro, would be able to charge the battery like that, as you can see there that I've just shown you. So what can we expect from DJI going forward? Well, we have the amazing DJI FPV Potato Jet, we have the DJI Avata Screech, and the next one, I guess, will be the Avata Next Generation, which I guess is going to be about 250 grams and stuff, because it basically follows the logic of 800, 400, 250. And with that, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.